At this hour, lawyers for a Cobb County man set to be executed are trying to delay it from happening.
Stacey Humphreys was convicted in the 2003 murders of two women. Atlanta News First Yasmina Alston is live at the federal courthouse now in downtown Atlanta, where a hearing will be happening tomorrow. Yasmina.
And Stacey Humphreys' attorneys argue a pandemic-era agreement should shield him from his scheduled execution date set for next week. But the family of one of the victims says justice for them is for that execution to happen as planned.
A Cobb County man is scheduled to be executed next Wednesday, but his attorneys are hoping to delay that. Lawyers for Stacey Humphreys filed a lawsuit arguing that an agreement between the state and death penalty defense attorneys during the pandemic should protect Humphreys from his scheduled execution for now. In Georgia, executions were put on hold during the pandemic, and the state attorney general's office made an agreement with lawyers for those on death row to set the terms under which they could resume. Though lawyers for the state argue that Humphreys is not covered under that agreement. Criminal defense attorney Joshua Schiffer, who is not tied to the case, gave his input on what he expects to happen in the courtroom.
I won't be surprised if a stay is issued by the federal court, only because of the fact that death penalty litigation is so challenging, so onerous, and there are so many strong arguments. Appeals are what death penalty litigation basically are all about.
52-year-old Humphreys was convicted of killing two young women at a real estate office in Cobb County. 33-year-old Cindy Williams and 21-year-old Lori Brown were both real estate agents who were shot by Humphreys in a model home in 2003. I spoke with Brown's mother on Tuesday. She says their family was expecting Humphreys to try and delay his execution, but justice for them means the execution happens as scheduled.
And a federal judge is set to hear these arguments tomorrow morning. Live in downtown Atlanta, Yasmina Alston, Atlanta News First.